students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn alphabets small letter A to Z. Let's start. We will make half circle, one standing line and one small curve makes A. One standing line, one half circle makes B. One half circle makes C. One standing line, one half circle makes D. One small curve and half circle makes E. One small curves and standing line, one slipping line makes F. One half circle, one standing line and small curves makes G. One standing line and half curves makes H. One standing line and one dot makes I. One standing line and small curves and dot makes G. One standing line, two small slanting line makes K. One standing line makes L. One standing line and small curves, another small curves makes M. One standing line, one small curves make N. One circle makes O. One standing line, one half circle makes T. One half circle, one standing line, slanting line makes Q. One standing line and make small curves makes R. One half circle, another half circle makes S. One standing line and small curves, one slipping line T. Two standing line and make half curves makes U. Two slanting line makes V. Four slanting line makes W. And cross slanting line makes X. One small slanting line, another big slanting line makes Y. And two sleeping line and one slanting line makes J. Okay, let's start reading. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for gun, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nest, O for owl, P for peacock, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Thanks for watching this video.